Welcome to the educational video Change the Voice Part 4. In Part 3, we have already studied first type of sentence in active voice. It means active voice with one verb. And how can we change active voice with one verb in passive voice? It has been studied. Now, in part 4, we will study second type of sentence, that is active voice having two verbs. First, helping verb and then main verb. Active voice with helping verb plus main verb. And when you see here, when helping verb plus main verb both are used in active voice, be will be used before third form of verb in passive voice. Be is the root word of being, be and been. When in active voice there is verb 1 plus ing morpheme, being is used with verb 3 in passive voice. And when in active voice there is modal shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, these are modals. When there is one modal and one main verb in active voice, then be is used with modals along with third form of verb in passive voice. And thirdly, when in active voice H is used with main verb, here H means has, have, had, shall have, should have, will have, would have, can have, could have. These are H here. And for H, been is used with verb 3 in passive voice. Let's see some examples here. Look at. Here are some examples. In active voice, suppose the sentence is she is cooking food. Look at here. This is in active voice. This sentence is in active voice. Here you see ing, and whenever ing is used in active voice, in passive voice, ing means being in passive voice. So, when you change this active voice into passive voice, the object of active voice is changed in the subject of passive voice. Write here food. Then write it. Food is here. ing is for being. Write here being for ing. Being. Then third form of verb of cook. Here you should write third form of verb, cooked. Then use by agent, and then the subject of active voice will be replaced as object of passive voice. Slightly change it. C for her. This is in passive voice. Here we see in active voice, she is cooking food. ing stands for being in passive voice. So write being in place of ing. Then write the third form of verb. Then by agent and then object of passive voice. In this way we can change. Secondly, here you see whenever shall, will, can, could, would, should, might, may, must will come in active voice, then you can change using be plus verb 3. Be plus verb 3 in passive voice. Here you see two verbs. She will cook food. Here you see main verb, cook is main verb and will is helping verb. It is modal, and in passive voice when there is modal, in active voice it stands for be, modal plus be plus verb 3. Then you should write here food, write it, will be, because it is modal, be. Then third form of cook is cooked. Cooked by her. It is in passive voice. It is ready for passive voice. Food will be cooked by her. Here we are working on the second type of sentence which has helping verb and main verb. When active voice has two verbs, helping verb and main verb. Next example. See the next example. H, which stands for has, have, had, shall have, should have, will have and would have, may have and might have, and H stands for been in passive voice. Look here. She has cooked food. It is in active voice. Here you see has is helping verb and cooked is main verb. There are two verbs in active voice and we are working on it. Here you see H, and in passive voice H means been. Now convert this active voice into passive voice. Object of active voice comes first in passive voice as subject. Write it, food. Copy it, has. And for H, been is used. Write here been. Has been. Third form of verb. This is third form of verb because has, have, had takes third form of verb. Copy it. Cooked by. She comes here in her. Now it is in passive voice. The sentence is ready in passive voice. Food has been cooked by her. This is the last video of passive voice, and I hope your concept is clear on passive voice. Wait for my next video, my next educational video on grammar and on literature from 7 to 10 for DAV students. Okay, thank you.